ChatGPT versus Kuki. Which AI chatbot offers a better conversational experience? You might be wondering which of these two AI tools can hold a conversation that feels more natural, engaging, and useful. Well, stick around because we're diving into exactly that, and by the end, you'll have a pretty clear idea of which one might be the best for you. First off, let's talk about what each of these AI chatbots brings to the table. ChatGPT, powered by OpenAI, is well known for its impressive ability to generate human like responses. Its strengths lie in its deep understanding of context, versatility across topics, and its highly adaptive nature. Whether you're talking about history, coding, or just having a casual chat, ChatGPT often comes across as incredibly knowledgeable, almost like talking to an expert in any field. However, while it's excellent at delivering factual information and crafting responses that sound natural, there are moments where it can sound a bit too robotic or sterile, especially when it struggles to maintain long conversations without losing flow. Next thing we need to consider is Kuki, which is a chatbot that's more focused on entertainment and personal engagement. If you're looking for an AI companion with a personality, Kuki's approach might be more up your alley. It's designed to build rapport with users, engaging in more casual, quirky conversations. Kuki excels in keeping things lighthearted, making jokes, and even forming connections that can feel more emotionally aware than ChatGPT's more factual tone. However, when it comes to providing accurate information or solving more technical questions, Kuki tends to fall short. It sometimes gives generic or inaccurate responses, which can be frustrating if you need reliable, in-depth answers. The third thing to keep in mind is the range of customization. ChatGPT has seen huge advancements in customization, particularly with plugins and external integrations that can make it more versatile for users with specific needs. For instance, if you're using it for business or educational purposes, you can tailor it for those scenarios, which gives it an edge in professional contexts. On the other hand, Kuki is more static in a sense. It's great for entertainment and casual use, but it doesn't offer as much customization in its interactions. It's not as adaptable for professional or in-depth scenarios. Fourth thing, the user experience. ChatGPT's user interface is minimalist but functional. It doesn't necessarily prioritize entertainment value, but its focus on clear, direct communication keeps users coming back. Kuki, however, leans heavily into an animated, fun interface, which might appeal to younger audiences or those looking for more interactive and playful experiences. While that sounds fun, it can be a little distracting or feel a bit gimmicky at times, especially when you're looking for more substance over style. Now, when we compare the two for overall conversational flow, ChatGPT has a slight edge here. It's better at keeping the conversation going over multiple turns, especially when the topic shifts or becomes more complex. Kuki, while very charming, tends to repeat itself or get stuck in loops, especially when trying to engage with deeper or more serious subjects. And finally, if you're looking for a chatbot that really serves a practical purpose beyond entertainment, ChatGPT's versatility makes it the better choice. It can be used for everything from learning new topics, solving problems, and even getting personalized business or content creation advice. Kuki is better if you're just looking for fun, playful interactions, but doesn't offer the depth and utility that ChatGPT does. After trying both, I'd say these chatbots are solid in their own right, but if you're looking for an AI that can hold a conversation across a wide range of topics and keep things flowing smoothly, then ChatGPT is the clear winner. However, if you're just looking for some light conversation and entertainment, Kuki can definitely deliver on that front. But here's the kicker, both of these have their drawbacks when it comes to maintaining an engaging experience over time. If you want a chatbot that balances both entertainment and deep conversational skills, I'd recommend checking out an alternative that I've tested myself. Through the link in the description, you'll get exclusive benefits and the best free trial that's available for our viewers. Don't miss out on that.